Yo, blood. Yo, blood, what, yo. Yo, blood, yo, what is it, man? What's that? Is happening there? Nah, can I use the phone? Who is it, man? I don't know. Where's Joey? I don't know. I just used the payphone. Yeah, but Joey's hanging out, man. What'd it be? I don't know. I don't know who he is. I'm just picking up the phone to use the phone. You gonna use the phone? Yeah, is that right? I don't know, man. I was waiting for Joey. He's supposed to call me right back, and now he ain't calling me. I don't know what the hell he's doing, man. He's supposed to come over. I don't know, dude. Who are you, man? I'm using the phone. What's your name, Joe? Hello? Yeah, man, what Joey are? He hanging there? No. Who this? This? Hello? Stay AT&T operator, that'll be 20 cents, please. Hello? Stay AT&T operator, that's 20 cents for the last 3 minutes. Thank you very much. Hello, is Francine there? Huh? Francine, is Francine there? Who Francine? She's supposed to be there at that payphone. I was supposed to call her and she... No Francine here. She's about two... There's nobody here. There's nobody tall. She's nobody here. About 6'3". She's a very tall girl. Nobody here. Nobody by that name is Rain. Nobody here. I just happen to be waiting for somebody to call me back, okay? Alright, I'm very sorry. Bye-bye. Stay AT&T operator, that'll be 35 cents, please. What? That'll be 35 cents for the last 3 minutes, please. I wasn't on the phone. I was trying to use it. Well, it was whoever made the call just last owes 35 cents to... Yeah, one thing, I was just waiting to use the phone. I was just picking it up to use it. There was a guy here before me. You did not use the phone, that was not your call. That was the call that was just made, 449-3829. No, that's not me. That's not me. You don't have 35 cents? No, it's not me. I'm about to use the phone. It's a pay phone. Well, this phone, it needs to be paid 35 cents. Yeah, but it's not me. I'm getting paid because I didn't make the call. I'm about to make another call now. I'm about to make a call now. Okay. All right. Very sorry about the Yeah, Joey, do you mean? Huh? Joey. Who you talking about? Who you talking about? Joey, man. Joey, come in now. Come on now. Joey? Yeah, come on. Who? Joey. Who's Joey? You know, man, his brother, come on. His what? He's the brother hanging. His birthday, you know. What? I don't understand anything. This is faithful, man. No, Joey, man, he's coming out. What are you talking about, the Mexican guy? Yeah, like long hair. Yeah, he just left. He left. What did he say where he was going? No, he didn't say. I don't even know him. He was waiting here, then this rainy area, so he left. Yeah, long hair. Yeah, I'm waiting for somebody to call me back, man. He left. He's not here. He's left. If you see him, man, tell him that Eddie called, and he better be coming over. Okay. All right. Hello?
Hi, it's Christopher. Christopher?
No, this is a payphone, man. Nobody here.
Oh, I'm sorry. Chris.
Hello? That'll be 20 cents, please. 20 cents for what? For the call you just made. Okay, hold on. Give me 12 seconds. Good. Yes, that's good. Thank you very much. Yeah. Get a Joe's Pizza. My pizza's ready. You gonna come pick it up? Yeah. 10 minutes. You ordered it 2 hours ago. You're gonna come by in 10 minutes, right? Yeah. That's a large pepperoni. Uh-huh. Come get it. All right, bye. Hello? That'll be 35 cents for the last 5 minutes. I just got on the phone. I walked by. 35 cents for the last 5 minutes, please. I don't know who used it. Well, whoever used it owes 35 cents. Well, there ain't nobody around. We're at a park. Yeah, but they owe the AT&T company 35 cents. But there ain't nobody here. Well, there's no one near at all. No. Not one person. No. Okay, well, somebody owes me 35 cents. I'm sorry. I just walking by, dude. Well, that's fraud. You didn't make that call? No, I'm walking by. Well, what's your name, sir? What? Tom. You sure it was a McDonald's guy?
I was McDonald's or Burger King. I'm not really sure, but my son took me to one of the fast food restaurants, and I haven't seen my wallet since. It's got over $50 in it. You could keep the money if you found the. I just need my identification back. So if you do,
it's Grand Avenue. What's Grand Avenue? Where's Grand Avenue?
in Asbury. So
It's in a garbage can.
my son, we went to the Burger King or something, and we stopped at that phone booth. He made the call, and I threw the bag out, and I thought I couldn't find my wallet. I thought it might have been in there. So if you do find the money, keep the money, and just please send me the identifications.
So you sure it's Grand Avenue?
And Asbury, yes, by the park there.
Okay.
All right. So if you do find it,
Hold on for a minute.
Well, you can just send me the identifications and keep the money.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Hello, is that, Alphonse there?
Alphonse?
Yeah.
Alphonse? Yeah, hang on a second. Well,
Hey, how you doing?
sure.
You,
Huh?
where's my friend, Joey?
I don't know.
He's supposed to come over here and take care of me.
Who you are?
Well, he's my old man. He's supposed to be there.
Oh, he Jordan.
What?
He Jordan.
Who are you?
Huh? G.
G?
Yeah.
What are you doing there?
Huh?
What are you doing there?
Trying to sell some work.
What?
Trying to sell some work.
No, I'm just looking for my old man.
Oh.
He's supposed to be hanging out there.
Oh, he here.
What number? Where? Is this Franklin residence?
Yeah.
No, who? Is this Franklin's house?
Yeah.
No. No, it's not. I don't recognize your voice.
Everybody don't. What's up?
Nothing.
What you doing?
I'm just lonely, waiting for my old man.
Where you at?
I'm right over Neptune.
Where in Neptune?
Right on 33, on Corliss Avenue.
Where?
Why?
What's up?
Nothing. I'm just waiting for my old man. Supposed to be at the Franklin house.
Well, alright there.
But he ain't coming home tonight.
Huh?
He ain't coming home tonight.
Yeah.
I'm lonely. I'm lonely.
Yeah. Huh?
I need some company.
I do too.
Yeah?
Hey, what's up?
Well, what you look like?
Huh?
What you look like?
I look good. That's what I look like.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
How tall are you?
Sure.
Short?
Yeah. No 5'11".
That's not short. Who told you that was short?
Sure.
That's tall. I'm only 5'4".
Huh?
I'm only 5'4".
Yeah. Black or white?
I'm black.
Huh?
Does that matter? Do you like white, black?
I like them all.
Yeah?
Huh?
I'm 5'4". I weigh 112 pounds.
100 and what?
112.
Yeah.
My measurements are 35.
Yeah.
35.
What's up? Can I come over?
24, 34.
Can I come over?
What?
Can I come over?
Oh, you gonna come over here?
Yeah.
What's your name?
G.
No, I mean, what's your real name?
G.
They call you G?
Yeah.
You gonna come on and visit me?
I said, if you love me.
You gonna bring a bottle of wine?
Come on, bottle of wine. Yeah?
I like wine. Red wine.
Yeah. No, was you by yourself?
Yeah, I'm all by myself.
Ain't nobody gonna come over there if I come over there, right?
No, he ain't coming home now. He said he'd be here, but he ain't coming.
Oh, you live with you?
No, he said he's coming over, but he ain't coming.
I'm saying, do you live with you?
No.
Yeah.
Just me and my sister.
Where's she at?
She coming home in about 10 minutes. She went out to the store to get some fried chicken.
Yeah. So, what y'all get high?
What?
Do I get high?
We drink wine.
Yeah.
Well, you got a fan for my sister? My sister cute.
Yeah, how old is she?
My sister only 19. She like to, you know, she like to have fun.
Yeah? Yeah, I got a friend with me.
What's his name?
LW.
LW?
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all come over.
What's that? Where you gonna be?
You ain't fat nothing, ain't you fat?
Fat. I'm built.
You built? Muscular?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's the way I like him.
Yeah. Where you gonna meet me?
You come over to my house.
Where's your house at?
It's 2064 Corliss Avenue.
Is this by Cody's liquor store?
About a half a mile from the liquor store. Guy's liquor store.
Yeah.
About a half mile down on the left.
What is it by?
It's across from the VFW.
VFW?
Yeah.
What is VFW? Cody's? Alright.
Alright?
And what is it, across the street or next door?
It's across the street. I'll be outside on the porch. You'll see me.
What color house?
It's green.
It's green?
Greenhouse. And I'll be outside with an orange tank top on.
Alright.
I got big titties, so you see me.
Alright. Where's Ron? I'm coming. Don't be proud with me.
No, man.
Huh?
Come on over.
For real?
For real.
Alright.
I'll be seeing you.
Alright.
Come over.
I am. For real. I'm coming on my way now.
Okay.
Alright.
Bye.
Library Park, Asbury Park, may I help you?
I was just serving continental breakfast this morning.
Serving what?
Are you serving continental breakfast?
No, you're calling the wrong park. I mean, this is not a restaurant.
I ordered continental breakfast before. I ordered the continental breakfast.
No, this is not the Continental restaurant.
So I ordered the 2 omelets.
Yeah, but this is not, this is a public telephone service in Library Park in Asbury Park.
With the ham and
No
cheese.
restaurant, sir.
Ham and cheese and the peppers, and I ordered 2 hash browns.
Is that a 2 hash browns? What else? What is it you order?
I ordered the hash browns and
No kidding.
orange juice.
No kidding.
I was
This is
waiting.
not a restaurant.
I've been waiting for half
This
an
is
hour.
not a restaurant, sir.
There was a restaurant before.
No, we're going to have a campaign here, an evangelism campaign, Christian campaign here in Library Park, Asbury Park, New Jersey. Are you invited? Yes, you are invited.
So
You're welcome.
Are you serving breakfast?
No, we don't serve anything, but we're going to serve the word of the Lord this morning in the name of Jesus Christ, right here in this park.
The word of the Jesus?
Yeah, the word of Jesus Christ this morning, right here in this park.
But I need breakfast.
Well, you have to eat Jesus first. You have to eat Jesus first.
What does he taste like?
It tastes like a spiritual being that brings you life within yourself by faith, and eventually you could be a person that could function above any politics, but coming from the true justice and true life and wisdom of Jesus Christ. So therefore you are invited. This afternoon at 4 p.m. It's called the Great Concert of Love. It is auspiced by the First Presbyterian Church, Hispanic Church, and it's going to be bilingual. We have a group coming from Boston, Massachusetts, that is going to have a great concert here this afternoon.
Does that come with free coffee?
Oh, that goes for free coffee, yes.
Okay, I will be there.
I'll go. I'll see you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yes, is there a Christian festival there today?
No.
This is the phone booth. Yes, but at that park there's supposed to be like a Christian Jesus festival.
Oh, no, man. I'm waiting for a phone call.
Well, I'm trying to find out some information here now.
No, I'm waiting for a very important phone call. It's got something to do with death.
Death?
Yes, I'm waiting for my family to call me. There's no festival here.
There's no festival, there's no stage set up in the park or anything like
They're
that.
setting one up now.
That's what I'm inquiring about. Is there anyone there I can speak to regarding the Jesus festival?
I'd like to order a large pizza, please, with pepperoni and mushrooms.
No, this is the phone booth, man.
This was Joey's Pizza.
No.
I'd like a large pepperoni
This is not pizza.
and a bottle of Coke. I'll pick that up in 15 minutes.
Excuse me?
I'll pick that pizza up in 15 minutes.
Yeah, this Tanya, yo. And,
I ordered a pizza there yesterday, and it was fine. It was cooked properly. It was had a nice crust. It was very nice.
yeah, okay.
Okay, now,
Okay.
this is Joey's Pizza, right?
Excuse me?
This is Joey's Pizza, right?
No.
You're the new girl there that just started. You probably don't even know where you work.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Alright. You're going to pick it up? You're going to pick the pizza up?
No, it's delivered. This is Domino's, isn't it?